everyone, it's Estefany Ariza with All Shoe Insiders, and we're here today at Team Industrial taking you inside our industry with our good friend Bryan. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good. So what do you do here at Team?
I am the Rope Access Operations Manager for Team Industrial.
So Rope Access Operations Manager, so I'm assuming that everything you have on right now has to do with rope access.
It does.
And is there any way that I can perform rope access today?
Yes, you can. You want to try it?
Let's go.
Let's go.
So, Steph, how do you feel?
I'm ready to get my raise. Thank you everyone for tuning in as I got my raise today with All Shoe Insiders, and thanks to Bryan for explaining everything around rope access, the safety, and if someone wanted to become part of Team and be a rope access technician, where should they go?
They can go to workforteam.com.
Perfect, there you have it guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and peeking inside our industry.